You have probably heard the frightening stories of ships and planes vanishing over a mysterious spot in the Atlantic Ocean known as the Bermuda Triangle. It has been teasing our imagination for decades. But how much do you know about the most mysterious corner of our planet? Hello and welcome to our very first episode of Mysterious Places on Earth. Today we will be discussing some interesting facts and theories about the Bermuda Triangle. Okay, first things first. There's nothing official about the Bermuda Triangle. It's not a registered territory and it's not even shown on maps. But it's understood that it stretches from Miami in Florida to the island of Bermuda and to San Juan in Puerto Rico, covering an area of roughly 500,000 square miles. So when did it all started? It started when an author, Vincent Gaddis, wrote a cover story on the disappearance of Flight 19 in 1945. It grabbed the attention and curiosity of many, and so the mystery of the Bermuda Triangle began. The story that started it all. December 5, 1945. Flight 19 disappeared off the coast of Florida. Flight 19 was a scheduled routine navigational training mission where 5 TBM Avenger torpedo bombers carrying 14 men were assigned to fly a triangular route. Approximately 2 hours after Flight 19 had left, the naval station in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, intercepted a radio message between the lead pilot, Charles Tyler, of Flight 19 and another pilot in the same flight, reporting that the aircraft compasses were malfunctioning. Flight 19's radio transmission soon became increasingly faint as it meandered out to sea. The lead pilot, uncertain of which way the Florida coast was heard prepping his men for a potential crash landing in the ocean when fuel began to run low. That was the last reported radio contact from Flight 19. There was only silence later on. When it was realized that the flight had lost, all nearby bases and units were alerted. A PBM patrol plane was dispatched to search for the missing planes, but it too, along with the crew, disappeared. The disappearance of Flight 19 and the PBM patrol plane in 1945 is one of many. There have been several losses documented in the region known as the Bermuda Triangle. In March 1918, the US Navy lost the USS Cyclops and all of its 306 crew members. In February 1965, civilian tanker SS Marine Sulphur Queen carrying molten sulfur sank. Neither the Cyclops nor the SS Marine Sulphur Queen was ever recovered. Over the years, the Bermuda Triangle has gained notoriety as the scene of numerous weird ships and plane disappearances. The explanations for these disappearances are also weird, ranging from reverse gravity fields to time wraps and even aliens. Let's see some of the theories behind the science of the Bermuda Triangle. Rogue waves. According to Channel 5 documentary, The Bermuda Triangle Enigma, scientists now believe conditions in that area are just right for massive rogue waves. Oceanographer Simon Boxall claimed the reason there are no traces of the missing ships and planes because there are storms to the south and north which come together and additional ones that comes from Florida. Scientists have used stimulators to demonstrate how these could put ships at risk. Magnetic forces causing compass malfunctions. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the 2 places on Earth where compasses point to true north rather than magnetic north. Some theories have suggested that the agonic line, the point where the magnetic and true north are perfectly aligned, passes through Bermuda Triangle, resulting in a magnetic phenomena which could explain cases where pilots and ship captains claim their compasses cease to work properly, causing them to get off course. Methane bubbles. Some scientists have claimed the reason ships and planes disappear is that one of the methane gas. Wrapped pockets of methane gas that are suddenly released can rush to the surface like huge bubbles bursting and capsizing a ship. Scientists have conducted tests in laboratory tanks and demonstrated that this is a strong possible cause for mysterious disappearances of ships. Atlantis. One of the most outlandish conspiracy theories that centers around the Bermuda Triangle is actually being the location of the mythical lost city of Atlantis. Some people believe that this mythical city may lie at the bottom of the sea and be using its reputed crystal energies to sink ships and planes. Aliens. Some writers have blamed UFOs for the disappearances. They believe that aliens use the triangle as a portal to travel to and from our planet. The area is like a gathering station where they capture people, ships, and aircraft to conduct research. Electronic fog. The most notable theory of the Bermuda Triangle, electronic fog is a meteorological phenomena which sticks to an aircraft or a ship. It's said that the fog causes equipment on aircrafts and ships to malfunction, such as spinning off compasses. Human error. Some, like Australian scientist Dr. Carl, simply blame human error. He argues that, according to Lloyd's of London and the US Coast Guard, the number of planes that go missing in the Bermuda Triangle is the same as anywhere in the world on a percentage basis. These disappearances can also be due to people misreading compasses, making poor navigational decisions, misunderstanding their location, and the like. It's also worth noting that as navigational equipment has improved, there have been far fewer instances of mysterious disappearances in the waters of the Atlantic. So these were some of the theories that people believe about the Bermuda Triangle. So viewers, is the Bermuda Triangle really the site of ancient Atlantis, or is it really nothing more than a heavily trafficked area of ocean with a freakish weather? Do let us know what you think could be the likely cause of the Bermuda Triangle. See you next time with another mysterious place of our planet. Till then, take care and goodbye.